Today I am going to guide you through a very basic but absolutely essential skill, which is installing our favorite Google Chrome browser on our computer. This tutorial is specifically designed for those who are new to PCs, and I will walk you through how to download and install Google Chrome step by step, making sure you easily can follow along. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is we need to click on this menu button, and then you need to search for pre-installed browser, which in case of Windows is Microsoft Edge. Just click on that. Obviously you can also use Microsoft Edge, but Google Chrome seems to be more productive to lots of users, so that's why they prefer choosing Google Chrome. So now here what we need to do is we need to open google.com first. And there is a reason why I am telling you to open google.com, because Edge generally comes with different search engine, which is Bing. So just to make uniformity, let's open google.com first. Now type here download Chrome, okay, and then hit enter. And here you will find this link. Just click on that. And also, not to worry guys, I'm gonna also place the same link in the description of this video. Now here you need to click on download Chrome, and now we need to wait for a while, and then you need to check for downloads. Click here on these three buttons and then click on downloads. So here you will find your download, and let's say if you do not find anything there, then you can simply click on download Google Chrome, and it will look like this. Here you can either run file directly by opening file from here, or you can click on folder icon here and you can see your installer. Make double click on it, and then it will ask you to accept certain thing, and then you need to accept that. Now here we go. Here we can see the entire process is automatic. We just need to wait for a while, and after some time you will be greeted by Google Chrome. So in this way guys, we can install Google Chrome in our system. I will share with you some useful tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience and make most out of Google Chrome. So the first thing here I would like to show you is, let's say you like any website. What here you can do is you can create bookmark of it, and doing that is pretty easy. You just need to press Ctrl and D, and that way you will able to create bookmark. Then here you also have option to select folder where we want to keep. So it's up to you where you want to keep your bookmark. Second thing is, let's say if you want to open a page in private, or you do not want to save the data, then you can click here on this three dot and then click on incognito window. Then whatever website you open here, it will not be saved in your history or will not save any kind of cache. You also have customization available in Google Chrome. Simply again press this three dots and then go to settings, and then look for appearance. From here you can choose which kind of theme you like, and you can also make theme work based on the system setting. You also have option of customizing fonts and many more. You can also improve your experience using extension. So just click on extension, and then here we have got this Chrome Web Store. From here you can download your favorite extension that's going to elevate your overall experience with Google Chrome. These tips will help you make your beloved Google Chrome browser more user-friendly and secure and tailored to your personal need. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic for more such content, and I will see you soon with another such video. Until then, you take care and bye bye.